Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financial Link. For all your mortgage needs, call 437-237-8888.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Zoha and myself is again with another exciting episode of Ramzan Quizwiz. We want to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that again we are getting this blessing month of Ramzan. Alhamdulillah, this is the month of Quran, this is the month of zikr, this is the month of salah, this is the month of taraweeh, this is the month of tahajjud, and this is the month that we all have to ask the forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives this special month to us. And in Surah Qadr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that one of the nights in this month is better than thousands month. And so one night ibadah is equal to 1,000 months. Because our lifespan is small, and the previous nations, they have the longer life, like Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam, his life is more than 1,000 years old. So our lives are small. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give this gift so we can compete with these people. So this is, again we have an opportunity this year that during the odd nights we will find out the Al-Qadr, Shab-e Qadr, and inshallah ta'ala we will get all the benefit of Ramzan and Ibadah. And this year, inshallah ta'ala, make all our efforts that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive us and bring a lot of happiness, rahmah, bounties and rewards within our family and all the society. So let's start another exciting journey of Ramzan Quizwiz.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's start with our new team. We have Team Minhaj al-Quran, and we're officially on episode 3. And we also have with us Falah from Oakville.
Okay.
And these kids are super excited to be here. I'm sure you can tell by their faces. And they're fasting this year. So inshallah, let's all pray together for them to give them sabr, inshallah, so they do well during this Ramadan and also so they win this competition.
So let me introduce the sponsors, Zoha.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so the Canadian Muslim friend, our Shahid Mughal Bhai, thank you. I really appreciate you.
Assalamu alaikum, दोस्त आपका शाहिद मुगल फ्रॉम कैनेडियन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड्स। जैसा कि आप ये रमज़ान ट्रांसमिशन देख रहे हैं, कुछ दिन पहले आरिफ भाई ने, आरिफ जहांगीरी साहब ने टोरंटो 360 से मुझे कॉल की और इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में बताया। और मैं चूँकि इस प्रोग्राम को चंद सालों से फॉलो भी कर रहा था और उन्होंने जब इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में मुझे ब्रीफ़ किया तो मेरा इंटरेस्ट और बढ़ा। मैंने अपनी पूरी टीम, कैनेडियन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड की पूरी टीम से इसका इजहार किया और उन्होंने भी इसके लिए काफ़ी दिलचस्पी का इजहार फरमाया। और पूरी टीम ने, कैनेडियन मुस्लिम टीम ने मुझे गो किया कि भाई हम मिनाजुल कुरान की जो हमारी स्पॉन्सर टीम होगी कैनेडियन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड की तरफ से, मेरी दिली ख्वाहिश है कि इस साल के जो विनर होंगे वो कैनेडियन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड के स्पॉन्सर मिनाजुल कुरान की टीम होगी। गुड विशेस फॉर देम। और कैनेडियन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड, जैसा कि सबसे पहले कि भाई आप सब बहन भाइयों को रमज़ानुल मुबारक की खुशियाँ मुबारक हों। जिस तरीके से हम सब यहाँ पे रमज़ान का एक एक वक्त, एक एक घड़ी को लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो रहे हैं, इसी तरह पूरी दुनिया में, पाकिस्तान में जो लेस प्रिविलेजेस लोग हैं, प्लीज़ उनको ना भूलिएगा, उनको अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। ट्रस्ट मी, हमारा $100 एक पूरी फैमिली को काफ़ी देर के लिए खुशियाँ मैसर कर सकता है। उन बहन भाइयों को अपनी दुआओं में भी याद रखें, उनकी फ़ाइनेंशियल हेल्प भी कर सकते हैं तो ज़रूर कीजिएगा, ना भूलिएगा। कीप वाचिंग टोरंटो 360। थैंक यू वेरी मच अरशद भट्टी साहब, आरिफ जहांगीरी साहब और तलहा भट्टी साहब। थैंक यू।
Alhamdulillah, thank you once again for all your generous offer, and inshallah ta'ala we will carry on this relationship of sponsorship during the Ramzan Quizwiz in the upcoming years as well. And I want to thank ICNA Relief Canada, always day one. They are with us in this project. Every year they come forward and sponsors us and help it out and advertise for the 3 months in our Ramzan, in our Toronto 360 TV. I want to thank Agha Saab, Rais Bhai. Thank you for all your help and generous help. So let's start the introduction with Minhaj al-Quran team. So please introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rahim. I'm from Team Minhaj al-Quran and my sponsor is Canadian Muslim Friends.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Minahil. I am from Minhajul Quran and my sponsor is Canadian Muslim Friends.
Good job.
Oh, wait.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aiza and the team I'm on is Minhaj Al Quran and my sponsor is also Canadian Muslim Friends.
Very good.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Simra. I'm from Team Minhaj Al Quran and my sponsor is also CMF.
CMF. Good job.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yusuf. I'm from Team Falah Oakville and our sponsors are ICNA Canada.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isa Mani. I'm from Falah Oakville and my sponsors are ICNA Relief Canada.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Adam. I'm from Al Falah Oakville team and my sponsor is ICNA Relief Canada.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayman and I'm from Al Falah Oakville and my sponsor is ICNA Relief Canada.
Okay, so let's start the journey and we have to go to the round one.
Yep.
And I want that we can start the round one with Minhaj al-Quran team. And you, to whom you want to start with first?
Let's start with Rahim and Manahil.
Rahim and Minahil, are you ready? Yes. Okay, super excited, right? Smile on your face. Okay, take your time, collaborate each other, discuss with each other, and then give the answer. Because you're learning how the team work together. You're not alone in this world. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want us to teach that how can we work together, how to take the help from each other, right? That's why collaboration is important, right? Okay, let's computer bring the first question for Rahim and Minahil.
Which chapter of the Quran is to be read compulsory in each rak'ah of Salah?
Surah Fatiha.
Surah Fatiha is the right answer. MashaAllah. Good job, Rahim. Very good. Well prepared, MashaAllah. Well prepared. Okay, next questions too.
It's going to be to Aiza and Simra.
Aiza and Simra, are you ready? Yes. Super excited as well, right? Okay, bring the question computer, please.
Who was the only woman whose personal name is found in the Holy Quran?
Who was the only woman whose personal name is found in the Holy Quran?
Maryam.
Maryam, yes, and mashallah, he's the mother of Jesus alayhi salam. Excellent, excellent, wonderful. Mashallah, you get the 4 points. Very important 4 points. Both the question in round one, you get the 4 points. And now the pressure goes to Al Falah Oakville, and you guys are ready, man. So, to whom you want to start with?
Let's start with, let's do Adam and Amen first.
Adam and Amen, please. Computer, bring the question for Adam and Amen. In Quran, there is a mention of Prophet who has been called by his mother name. Who was he?
Isa ibn Maryam.
Isa ibn Maryam, that's the correct answer. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala miraculously gave birth to Isa alayhi salam. Right? He has no father. So he will be called on the day of judgment by the name of his mother Mary, right? Maryam alayhi salam. So that's the correct answer. Now the question goes to Isa and
Yusuf.
Yusuf, the great pressure on you guys. Okay, computer, bring the question, please.
Which was the agreement that was titled Fathul Mubin without fighting a battle?
The Treaty of Hudaybiyah.
Treaty of Hudaybiyah is the correct answer. MashaAllah, that's the correct answer, guys. Excellent, excellent. Both the team in the round one, it looks like they get easy questions, and they get the 4 points, right?
Yeah, they're prepared. They're prepared.
They're prepared, mashallah, mashallah.
Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financialing. For all your mortgage needs, call 437-237-8888.
In the round two, we have to start individual questions, right? And I want to start with Al Falah Oakville. Okay? To whom you want to start, Zoha?
Let's start with Yusuf.
Let's start with Yusuf. Let's start with Yusuf. Okay, computer, bring the question, please. Which was the agreement that was titled Fathul Mubin without fighting a battle? The Treaty of Hudaybiyah is the correct answer. MashaAllah, mashallah. Okay, to whom you want to start, Zoha?
Let's start with Yusuf.
Yusuf. Asif, you are ready, man? Super excited as well? Okay, mashallah. So bring the first question for Yusuf, please, computer.
What do we need to do when we see persecution and oppression? Select two.
2. Select 2 answers. Ignore the oppressed, support the oppressor, help the persecuted or oppressed, or make dua for them.
Number 3 and 4, help the persecuted or oppressed and make dua for them.
That's the correct answer. That's the correct answer. Mashallah, is it not an easy question? It's a tough question. You gave the right answer when the oppressors. So we have to support the people who are getting persecution, right? Just like the people of Palestine, right? They are persecuted there. They are oppressed. So this is being a Muslim or being a human. This is our responsibility that whenever we see any oppression, we have to stand up against that. We have to voice against that, right? And that's why this message is very important, and make dua for them as well. And financially, if we can help them, we can help them financially as well. That's a good job. Good job. Good answer, Yusuf. Okay, Isa, your turn, buddy. Computer, bring the next question, please. In the Quran, Al-Ma'un means what? Your time is over. So the answer is helping others. So that's the, you're not able to give the answer. You have to think and give the answer. It's very easy question. Isa, you have to remember that and think about it, okay? So now the question number 3 goes to Adam.
What are some other topics that are discussed in chapter on Anam? Select the right answer. Is it 1, comfort and encouragement to the Holy Prophet? Is it 2, warning to the disbelievers? Or is it 3, the story of Hazrat Khizr and Hazrat Musa?
3.
3 is the wrong answer. Comfort and encouragement to the Holy Prophet is the right answer. You lose the point. Okay, computer, bring the next question for Aman, please.
Which surah has the name Allah in every verse?
Surah Mujadila, that's I think the correct answer. Surah Mujadila is the correct answer, but this team lose the 2 important question and the points. And now let's see how Minhajul Quran will do this. Minhajul Quran, you have a great opportunity. You give all the answers, you win this episode. Okay? To whom you want to start with, Rahim?
Yeah, let's start with Rahim.
Let's start with Rahim. Bring the computer, the first question please for Rahim. Okay.
Why was chapter Fatiha named as Surah Al-Fatiha? Select 2 of the right answers. Remember 2. So 1 opens a subject. Was it 2, it opens a book? 3, it's a sort of preface? Or is it 4, opens a lock? Or 5, it opens a door?
Is it 2 and 1?
2 and 1 open a subject and sort of preface, open a subject, and 1 and 3 is the right answer. You have a wrong answer. So computer, bring the question for Minhaj, please.
What is the first complete chapter or surah that's revealed to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Select the right answer. Was it chapter Al-Mulk, chapter Al-Alaq, chapter Al-Fatiha, or chapter Al-Muzammil?
Chapter Al-Alaq.
Chapter Al-Alaq is the right answer. MashaAllah. Good job. Good job, Minhaj. You are very focused. You read the question nicely and you give the answer. That's what we need from everybody. Okay? So, next question for?
Aiza.
Aiza. Computer, bring the next question for Aiza, please.
So what is Tawheed? Select the right answer. Is it charity, oneness, or infinity?
Number 2, oneness.
Number 2, oneness. Such an easy question. Such an easy question, right? Okay. Simra. So the computer, bring the next question for Simra, please.
How many surahs or chapters in the Quran have the titles named after different prophets?
6 surahs. Surah Muhammad, Surah Al-Nur, Surah Surah Al-Ibrahim, Surah Al-Yusuf, Surah Al-Yunus, Surah Hud.
Hud. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, give the answer please. That's the correct answer. Please give almost all of them, and Alhamdulillah is a good answer. Is remember, this is a good job. You did the good job. So at the end of the round 2, we will see what is the score is here, right?
Yeah.
It's important, right? And the best team is the one who prepared himself, who get the answers, who come forward and give the answer, right? So today's episode winner is Minhaj al-Quran, because Minhaj al-Quran get 10 points and Al-Falah get 8 points. MashaAllah, good job, Minhaj al-Quran. But Team Al-Falah, you still have 4 matches left to play with. You guys have to work hard. You have to talk with your friends, all right? And you have to work hard on this one, okay? In the second match, inshallah. This is another exciting day of Ramzan Quiz with 2025, and we have wonderful match. I want to thank both the sponsor, Canadian Muslim Friend, as well as ICNA Relief Canada. Thank you very much for all your support. Inshallah, we will come back with another exciting episode of Ramzan Quiz with. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Quizwiz is sponsored by Mega Mortgage and Financial. For all your mortgage needs, call 437 237 8888.